Hey, we're in the backyard today. I'll give you an update on the garden because I said earlier this year we were going to give you an update on the garden, and then we're going to head over to the community garden to see how that's going. So the garden has grown.
These are the cucumbers.
So you think this turned out pretty good and you're going to do it the same way next year?
Yes.
The tomatoes, we planted 4 of them. This is the potatoes deal.
Yeah. And I just put them to the side because they get pretty big.
There's
a couple coming in there.
So-
And these are onions, and onions take a while, so this will be another month and a half, probably.
Okay, as we go back around the garden, this was the peppers. Here's it. Look at, there's a purple.
I had to stake them because they get high.
What are these? Are these peppers too?
Yeah, and these are green beans right here, and so I got to stake them up. Oh boy! Oh, there's Sweetie.
Hey.
Then there's carrots here coming in. I should have given them more space.
Yeah,
But
I was going to say that. Everything looks pretty crowded here.
Well, because I have 5 plants of celery coming in.
This could have been all carrots.
Yeah, but that's okay because I like celery more than carrots.
I
so.
mean, this could be radishes.
Yeah,
This could be carrots. That could be peppers.
Yeah.
This could be, yeah, so kind of don't mix them up.
I could have put all the peppers in one.
Outside of the garden, remember this deer netting? Oh, you also put these spikes on top.
Because the squirrels don't get in.
And then also you put these little
Windmill things. Yeah, but on this side I just put the spikes because from this fence they would jump, and now they don't jump.
And then over here, you decided to go outside the garden.
For pumpkins.
Look at, there's a pumpkin. So that's it. That's the garden, and it looks pretty good. A lot better than last year, huh?
Yes.
Well, let's head over to the community garden now. I think we were about here somewhere when we first visited, so everything's kind of grown up. So let's go walk through here and look at what's going on. This guy really knows what's going on. What are these right here? What is this, pumpkins?
Squash. Oh, look at these.
See,
are pretty.
they've got flowers growing up.
Wow. These are chives.
The snapdragons and those are over in the middle, and they'll, they've been great all year long.
Oh, wow.
Already
Yeah.
got-
Yep,
He's
they
already
do.
got carrots rolling in.
There's another,
Yeah.
they got another month. but-
Yeah.
Do you mind if we walk down here? Or?
Go right ahead.
Yeah.
It's carrots. that's-
Lettuce, eggplant, Brussels sprouts. Oh, here's broccoli right here. Look at down there on the bottom. Look at the
I know.
size of that pepper. And then these tomatoes, you're keeping them off the ground a little bit, huh? Well, we'll leave you be.
Well, thank you so
Yeah,
much.
thanks for everything. So there's a lesson learned. That guy was a pro, even though he didn't think he was. We thought he was. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.